Hi, this is Tom, and in this question we're going to answer Hawaiian words. And it says, the Hawaiian alphabet consists of 7 consonants and 5 vowels. How many 3-letter words are possible if there are never 2 consonants together and if a word must always end in a vowel? Okay, well let's take a look at what could possibly happen here. So move this out of our way. Stick it there in case we need to reference it. Well, let's think about this. I'm going to use the letter C to represent consonants. Oops. We use the letter C, and we'll use the letter V to represent vowels. Now, for example, let's think of one way we could write a 3-letter Hawaiian word. And let's not get too fancy yet. But the first thing we know is that it always has to end in a vowel. So let's put V here. Now, if I put a consonant, say I put a consonant right here. Well, that says that you can never have 2 consonants together, so that leaves that this spot here has to be a vowel. So there's one way that you could write a 3-letter word using the Hawaiian rules. So let's try another one. Let's see if there are any more. I'm going to make 3 spots just to represent the way that letters could be arranged. Now let's see, we know that it has to end in a vowel. So again, V for my last spot. Now, let's try moving our consonant to the first position. I can't have another consonant here, so the only thing I'm left with is the option for a vowel. Now again, we can't have any 2 consonants together, and the word always has to end in a vowel, so I know I can put my vowels here. I've had a consonant here, a consonant here. The only option left would be to now have a word that's only comprised of vowels. Now here's where we just use our counting rule. When I represented V for vowels, that really meant that there was 5 different possibilities according to the fundamental counting rule. Then we can multiply our results. When it's C, there was 7 different possibilities. Again, for vowels, 5. Plus. Now, again, there's 7 different consonants that could go in that spot. There was 5 different vowels, and again, 5 different vowels. And notice that there was nothing about you can have repeated, that there was no restraints about letters being repeated. So you could have a word that's just all one vowel. Again, there's 5 vowels that could go in the first spot, times there's 5 vowels in the second spot, times 5 vowels in the third spot. If you take these numbers, we multiply them together. 5 times 7, that's 35 times 5, that's 175. Plus, this is going to also be 175, and 5 times 5 times 5 is 125. So, add those numbers together and you'll get your final result. Thank you, and